Hi, I'm Katia and I'm going to be doing Nae Fizz Izzy by Hamish MacDonald. Busy Izzy's in a tizzy cause her ginger isn't fizzy. She wheeks it, whirls it, wanners it, burrows it, joddles it, jiggles it, shimmies it and shuggles it, battering, splattering, dirling and whizzing, gieing it laldy and ten to the dozen. Doosh, sploosh, blutter and whoosh, now open the cock to try the skish. Yuck! What? Your ginger isn't still no fizzy, is it, Izzy? Aye, then busy Izzy falls doon dizzy for trying to make her ginger fizzy.